Waterworks by Anton. Water is extremely precious. Without plants, water would not be able to grow. Animals would die of thirst and the human race would be extinct. 70% of the earth is covered by water. Most of it is salty, undrinkable water. So how does it change into drinkable water? Well, the sun heats up the water and turns into vapor. We call this change evaporation. The water vapor rises into the atmosphere and eventually condenses and creates a cloud. Clouds are transported by the wind to other places which have different climates. In time, the cloud becomes heavier and gradually sinks down. This can happen all over the world, even at sea and in deserts. The water can fall as rain, snow, ice, and hail. This precipitation isn't salty because the salt stays in the ocean and it doesn't evaporate. We do not have to collect water from the river. The water has been sent through pipes. Most of us can turn on a tap in our houses and the water comes out. When water arrives in our homes, it is used in many different ways for many different reasons. The most vital use of water is drinking. Our bodies are made of mostly water, and a balance must be maintained. The same is true for animals and plants. Water is also used to keep our bodies, houses, clothes, dishes clean. This is important because bacteria, germs could grow and make us unwell. The majority of food we eat is made by using water, either in its production or when it's being cooked. When we cook with water, for example cooking rice and pasta, we use the water not only to make them warm, but also to rehydrate it. Finally, the water is used to flush the toilet. It is an effective way of removing human waste while reducing the odor. Industries need and uses colossal amount of water each day in order to make products for us. Water is consumed in vast amounts when making such common everyday items such as the production of clothes, paper, paints, pottery, plastics, and glass. However, water can also be used to generate the electricity by damming up water supply and forcing it through a turbine. This is a cheap and less polluting way of making energy. Unfortunately, by trapping the water, some people and many habitats are affected below the dam. Industries waste water by dropping pesticides, fertilizers, chemical, oil, and dyes. We should not pollute this water. A way we could stop polluting water is not throw water away. And maybe water shouldn't go to the ocean.